I keep fighting voices in my head telling me I'm stuck, that this is it. Every little failure on repeat, playing like a film I can't delete. Am I more than every stumble, every mountain, every fall? I'm so tired of this question.